Here is a really good songwriting hack that I use all the time in my songwriting when I'm trying to come up with chord progressions for a song that I'm writing. Now, I usually use this when I'm really wanting to focus on my vocal melody and writing the vocal melody, and I don't want to have to be thinking about what chords I'm playing on the guitar. So what I do is I tune down to drop D, so that this string, the top fat string, is a D note instead of an E. And what that does is it means if I hold down with one finger across all the frets, those top 3 strings, they give me power chords. So that is a really easy chord shape to use, right? It's just one finger smushed down on all those, smushed down is the technical term for barring, across those top 3 strings. And you've got all these chords. Now, power chords are great in the early stages of songwriting because they're neither major or minor. They don't have a third. So you don't have to worry about whether the chord, like what key your song is in and whether the chords are major or minor. You can figure that out later. All you need to do is just move your finger around to where it sounds good and focus on your vocal melody. So once I've tuned down to drop D, I'll just start strumming some chords and singing over the top. So I'm not really thinking about what chords I'm playing at all. I'm focusing on my vocal melody. But once I'm happy with what I'm playing on guitar, I'll make a note that the bass note is a G. Come on, brain. So it's just G. That one is a B, and that one is an A. So G, B, A is my chord progression. I can figure out later if I want to make those into triads, so major or minor, or I can keep them as power chords. So hopefully that's helpful. I find it a really useful songwriting hack when I am songwriting and not wanting to think about what chords I'm playing.